Hello everybody, 大家好，杜空 Saudi Club. Today there's a Thai festival Singapore. 10 to 12 July, today is the last day. So let's go and take a look. I also want to show you how insane the prices are. Not only in terms of food, but also like the things they sell here as compared to the price they sell in Thailand. But of course, you can argue that in Thailand it's much cheaper, but the price here is really inflated. I mean, not inflated, but more expensive many times. So let's check it out. I mean, it's still very bustling, almost 6 p.m. Durian, one box 35, 3 for 100. Thai tea, $6. This one, $10 for fish mouth soup, cow soy $8. Pork cracker, moving, and the goose squid $15. There's even more prices here. Not pork knuckle price at $8. Brazil pork rice with fried egg $8. Mango sticky rice $7. Thai pandan pancake at $6. All the drinks, the price $6 pandan cake, and then Thai iced tea $4. Bangkok noodles for $10. Oh, wow, there's some other food here. $8, $9, $10. Singapore dollars. It looks nice, but then the price in many times that of the Bangkok. Of course, there are the rental to pay, and the staff have the cute banana one. Head accessories. And the mukbang mixed grill 1 for 3, 4 for 10. Here. So average the price is $10. The som Thai as well. Fresh sauce $10. Seafood. Look at that, man. You see, right? So live show going on now. You don't have the price here. The Thai hot pot. $18.80 for the mukbang. And so on chicken burger $14.80. The drinks still okay lah. Some durian cheese over here. $8. Roasted pork with drink $10. $10 combo. $6 for coconut ice cream. That is like 3 times more. In Thailand, Bangkok and get it for like $2. Okay, all the snacks. Emily #1 best selling from Bangkok. All this. $5.20. Because we're the last day, they're going to pack up already. Now it's 6 p.m. We have clothes here, pajamas. Some kind of herbal balm right here. 18 herbs, Thai Chinese. This one, Inhola Aroma Pot. And the beach wear here, $45. Jewelry. Look at the price, man. 65, 125, 150. There's some cat ornaments over there. Some pearl over here as well. Uh, yeah, it's over there. Card holder. Some handmade accessories. Some kind of sunscreen over here. Buy one get one free. Hair growing, $65. So after walking through one round, I think it's overhyped, man. I mean the food tastes. I mean it looks good lah. I didn't buy because I think it's super expensive. And then because I went to Bangkok, I saw the price is like really many times cheaper than here. Of course, if we crave for Thai food, then you are in Singapore, you just buy that, no problem. But if you're like me, frequently travel to Bangkok or Thailand, then you probably won't buy it here because the food in Bangkok, Thailand is much more delicious than the food here sold in Singapore by the Thai people. Hard to explain. It's just that our chicken rice in Singapore tastes much better than we go overseas and try it. So if you enjoy the video, like, share and subscribe for more. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys in the next video and bye bye.